I'm going to demonstrate the power of PrintQ within the nQzebraworks portfolio. When I print the documents don't come out the printer immediately, yet the user will be able to walk up to any device and release their print jobs from that. So we call it print anywhere. So they can print and they can collect their print jobs at any device. Sometimes the device might be busy, or maybe the machine's in for repair, whatever the case may be. The user has the power to choose where to release that print job. In this particular case, as I've clicked on the print button, so my standard print driver options will come up, which will allow the user to change the size, whether they want to print it double-sided or color or whatever the case may be. They have the options to change their settings over here. If I say OK, you will see I will get another pop-up, which is basically my billing pop-up. These matter codes are drawn automatically from your legal accounting system. So whether you're using AJS or Ghost Practice or Legal Suite or Winlaw or Practice Manager, we have integration into 22 different legal accounting solutions. So the user will be able to do a search, okay? And as they start searching, so the list of matter numbers or client names will come up. We have an algorithm called adaptive intelligence, which basically follows the user around. So in other words, whether I'm printing or copying or scanning or making a telephone call, my codes, my billing codes that are relevant to me will appear in my list first and foremost. All I have to do is I just double click on it, it fills the form out for me, fills in the client name. In this case, it's linked to an account, this particular account number. We do have the option to include what we call a description or a fee note, which will appear at the bottom here. Very useful because those fee notes obviously get incorporated into your legal accounting system. So I'm going to print this one. I am going to print another one just to show you what it would look like when the user walks up to the copier. You'll see it's pretty straightforward. Hit the print button, pop-up appears. I click on the matter number that I'm looking for, or I can search for it. Fills out the form, select, and it's handled. Now I've loaded up in the background a simulation of what it looks like on the front panel of the copier. So here you can see the user will walk up to the machine. They will click on the PrintQ button. They'll be prompted to enter their user code. And of course, then there are the print jobs that this particular user has printed. So the user has the power to choose which files they want to release. And our system, the awesome thing with our product is that it only bills once the transactions are released from the multifunction machine. So when I print, those files are now debited and billed, and it'll appear in your accounting system, in your practice management system.